Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Fun English Duo, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Thomas. Hello, Sarah. Hello, everyone. It's great to be here.
Hi, Thomas. How are you today?
I'm doing great, thank you. And you? You look very happy today.
I am very happy. I'm excited for our topic today.
Oh, yes. It's a very good topic. Very important.
Yes, exactly. But before we start, everyone, please remember to subscribe to our channel.
Yes, and click the like button. And please share our podcast with your friends and family.
Thomas, today's topic feels very important.
Oh, yes. Very important and very useful.
Because people ask this question everywhere.
Yes, at school, at work, in interviews, in new groups.
And sometimes people don't know what to say.
Exactly. It can feel a little uncomfortable.
So today, we will make it simple, gentle, and easy.
Yes, we will talk about how to talk about yourself in English.
A very helpful topic.
Exactly, Sarah.
All right, Thomas, where should we begin?
Maybe we start with the basics.
Yes, the simple things.
The first one is always your name.
Yes, you can say, my name is Sarah.
Or, I'm Sarah.
Very short and very natural.
You can also say, you can call me Sarah.
Yes, that sounds friendly.
After your name, people often ask about where you're from.
Yes, you can say, I'm from India.
Or, I'm from Brazil. I'm from Japan. I'm from Kenya.
Simple sentences.
You can also say, I was born in India.
Or, I grew up in Canada.
Very soft and natural.
After that, you can talk about where you live now.
Yes, you can say, I live in a big city.
Or, I live in a small town.
Or even, I recently moved here.
Very useful when meeting new people.
People also ask about what you do.
Yes, your job or your work.
You can say, I work in an office.
Or, I'm a teacher.
Or, I'm a student.
Very simple and very common.
You can also say, I work from home.
Yes, many people do that now.
You can also talk about what you study.
Yes, I study business.
Or, I study English.
Or, I'm learning a new skill.
Very friendly and natural.
After that, you can talk about your hobbies.
Yes, hobbies help people understand your personality.
You can say, I like reading.
Or, I enjoy cooking.
Or, I love traveling.
Very gentle sentences.
You can also say, in my free time, I...
Yes, in my free time, I watch movies.
Or, in my free time, I play sports.
Very simple English.
Another thing you can talk about is your family.
Yes, you don't need to give too many details.
Simple is enough.
You can say, I have a small family.
Or, I have one brother and one sister.
Or, I live with my parents.
Very soft and natural.
You can also talk about your personality.
Yes, that always sounds friendly.
You can say, I'm a friendly person.
Or, I'm a quiet person.
Or, I'm a positive person.
These lines help people understand you better.
And they are very simple sentences.
After that, you can mention what you like and what you don't like.
Yes, you can say, I like music.
Or, I like meeting new people.
Or, I love trying new food.
And for dislikes, you can say, I don't like loud places.
Or, I don't enjoy cold weather.
Very gentle and natural.
Another thing you can talk about is your goals.
Yes, goals are interesting and personal.
You can say, I want to improve my English.
Or, I want to travel more.
Or, I'm working on becoming healthier.
Very warm, positive sentences.
You can also talk about your daily routine a little.
Yes, people love simple daily details.
You can say, I usually wake up early.
Or, I go to work by bus.
Or, I enjoy evening walks.
These details make your introduction more interesting.
And still very easy English.
Thomas, when introducing ourselves, tone is important.
Yes, tone must be soft and polite.
You don't need to speak fast.
Yes, slow and clear is perfect.
Very calm English feels friendly.
Exactly.
Let's give a simple sample introduction.
Good idea.
I'll do one first. My name is Sarah. I'm from Canada. I live in a small city. I work as an English teacher. In my free time, I enjoy reading and going for walks. I'm a friendly person and I love learning new things.
Very soft and very natural.
Thank you.
Now, I'll try. My name is Thomas. I'm from the United States. I live in a quiet town. I work in an office. In my free time, I like cooking and watching movies. I try to stay positive, and I enjoy meeting new people.
Wonderful. Very clear example.
Thank you, Sarah.
When introducing yourself, you can use very simple words.
Yes, simple is powerful.
You don't need long sentences.
Short and friendly is perfect.
And just a few details are enough.
Yes, you don't need to share everything.
Introductions are just the beginning.
Yes, small steps.
And people will ask questions if they want to know more.
Exactly.
So your job is just to start gently.
And speak with confidence.
And kindness.
Yes, kindness makes everything better.
We still have many more examples to share.
Yes, more useful phrases, more natural sentences.
And more soft, friendly practice.
Thomas, we talked about names, places, work, hobbies,
Yes, the basics. Very important basics.
and now we can go a little deeper, but still simple.
Yes, soft details, small details that help people know you better.
Exactly. Things that feel warm and natural.
For example, you can talk about what kind of person you are.
Yes, you can say, I'm a calm person,
Or, I'm a friendly person.
or even, I'm a shy person.
Yes, that's perfectly okay to say.
If you're comfortable, you can also share what makes you nervous.
Yes, like, I get nervous in big groups.
Or, I get shy when I meet new people.
Very honest and simple.
You can also talk about what gives you confidence.
Yes, you can say, I feel confident when I help others.
Or, I feel confident when I speak slowly.
That one is great for language learners.
Yes, speaking slowly is always okay.
And people understand you better too.
Another thing you can share is your daily habits.
Yes, habits say a lot about who you are.
You can say, I like to start my day with a walk.
Or, I enjoy quiet mornings.
Or, I love making coffee in the morning.
Very soft, peaceful details.
You can also talk about small things you're trying to improve.
Yes, like, I'm trying to read more.
Or, I'm trying to sleep earlier.
Or, I want to learn to cook better.
These kinds of sentences feel warm and human.
Yes, very real.
If someone asks you about your favorite things, keep it simple.
Yes, very simple.
My favorite music is soft pop.
Or, my favorite season is winter.
Or, my favorite drink is tea.
Aha, that sounds familiar.
Yes, you love tea.
Oh, I do.
You can also talk about things you don't like gently.
Yes, you can say, I don't like noisy places.
Or, I don't enjoy crowded streets.
Or, I don't like spicy food.
Very natural sentences.
When you talk about yourself, you can also mention your values.
Yes, values give people an idea of your heart.
You can say, I believe in kindness.
Or, I believe in working hard.
Or, I believe in staying positive.
Very soft and inspiring.
Another beautiful thing to share is your hopes.
Yes, you can say, I hope to travel more.
Or, I hope to learn new skills.
Or, I hope to meet new friends.
These kinds of sentences feel warm and relatable.
Yes, very peaceful.
You can also talk about what relaxes you.
Oh yes, simple relaxation helps people feel connected.
You can say, I relax by listening to music.
Or I relax by taking slow walks.
Or, I relax by reading before bed.
Very gentle activities.
When introducing yourself, you don't need to be perfect.
Yes, you just need to be clear and honest.
And simple.
Yes, very simple.
You can even prepare a short introduction and practice it.
Yes, practice helps a lot.
You can practice in front of a mirror,
Or record your voice.
or practice with a friend.
Or even practice with us here.
Yes, talk along with us if you want.
Introductions are like soft stories about your life.
Yes, small stories.
They don't need to be long
They just need to be true,
and spoken gently.
and with a smile.
Yes, a smile always helps.
Sarah, should we give one more example introduction?
Yes, let's do it softly.
I'll start. I'm Thomas. I'm from the United States. I live in a quiet town. I work in an office. I enjoy cooking and evening walks. I'm a calm person. I hope to travel more and learn new things.
Very gentle and natural.
Thank you.
I'll try one now. I'm Sarah. I'm from Canada. I live in a busy city. I'm an English teacher. I enjoy reading, warm tea, and peaceful mornings. I'm friendly and positive. I hope to meet new people and share kindness.
Beautiful, Sarah.
Thank you, Thomas.
Anyone listening can create an introduction just like these.
Yes, just simple, soft English.
And you can change the details to fit your own life.
Exactly. It's your story.
And your story matters.
That's a lovely thought.
Thank you.
Friends, thank you for staying with us in this calm, warm conversation.
Yes, thank you for spending your time learning with us.
We truly hope you feel more confident talking about yourself now.
And we hope you smile while practicing.
If today's lesson helped you, please remember to subscribe and share the episode.
It really supports our channel and helps other learners too.
We'll be back soon with another soft and friendly English conversation.
Until then, take care of yourself
Stay gentle, stay positive.
and keep practicing your English.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye, friends.